Hello everyone, welcome to the ingredient channel where I post recipes and share cooking experience every week. In this episode, we're making tea eggs. If you like the video, please do remember to subscribe. Tea egg is a traditional Chinese food which is typically served as a snack. Recipes could vary from region to region, people to people. However, they are all very simple and easy to follow. So is the one I'm about to share with you today. Ready? Let's begin. In a little bowl, we're going to put in the scallion, sliced ginger, star anise, dried red chili, Sichuan pepper, and last, certainly is not the least, the tea. You can use black tea, red tea, green tea, doesn't matter. In another bowl, put sugar, some salt, garlic powder, five spices, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chicken base. Mix well, put it aside. Use a pot large enough to hold 16 eggs. It will be the best that they can all stay on the same layer. Put water in there. Use medium heat to boil them. Till the water is boiling, then we're gonna crack all of these eggs. Use a spoon or anything you could find. Crack, but do not break the shell, is the trick. And when you boil the egg, one thing I like to emphasize is use medium heat. Don't use high heat because sometimes the egg could explode. I'm sure that some of you have experienced that. Drain the water a little bit. Leave about 1 cup or less than a cup in. And then pour the liquid ingredients in. And then the solid ingredients. And make sure all of the ingredients are under the liquid. Cover the lid, bring to a boil again. Make sure all of the eggs are under the liquid ingredients. It's very important to soak the eggs thoroughly so the taste can get in. So squeeze it. And that's why I was saying early on that you want to find a large enough pot so that they can be on the same layer. This way you save liquid ingredients, otherwise you need a lot. Then cover the lid, simmer for about 10 minutes. And turn off the heat. Rotate the egg to a different direction. So the part that is sort of above the liquid ingredients can be soaked into the liquid ingredients as well. So one mistake some people made is they boil it for a long time. That is not good. Boil the eggs for too long could make the protein very hard and lose the tenderness. You want to soak it in the ingredients. Just turn out the heat, soak it for 3 hours. You see, the reason we don't take out the shell is because the shell, it locks all of the ingredients in, so it can soak the egg and make it more tasty. So here you go. Time to enjoy. I hope you like this easy, simple recipe. Try it at home and check out the other videos in my channel. Subscribe and support. Thank you so much.